The next tool in the toolbox is the text tool, using which we can type our texts for different designs or for typing our letters. So this is the text tool. Select the text tool. After that, click on your page and you can type some letters here. Then for formatting these texts, these letters, like adding color to it or using a different style for the text, using the bold, italics, underline, formatting options, we need to go to this property toolbar where the formatting options are available. From this tool, property toolbar, first of all, this is the font style option where we get different types of fonts, and you can select any kind of fonts from here as per your requirement. So this is some style here. This way you can change the styles of your font. After that, you can make bold, make your text bold by using this bold formatting option. You can slant your texts by using the italics, and then here is the underline option, and you can add a line to your text from here. If you want to change the size of your texts, then this is the font size box, and by clicking on the drop down button you get this size list, and you can select the size from here and change the size of your letters. This way we can use a different use the text tool in CorelDRAW. Also we can add colors to the text. So for adding colors, select any one of the color from the color palette and it will be added to the text. This is the text tool. If we want to type a text in a banding way or some flag type style, then we need to first of all draw a shape here in which you want to align the text in that part. Like if you want to align your text in a curve way, then first of all you will have to draw a curve in your page. For drawing the curve, I am selecting this Bezier tool and draw a straight line here. After that, for making a curve in this line, I will select the shape tool. Then click on any one of these two nodes, right click on it, and you can select the option to curve from here. Then the nodes will appear, and by dragging it to a different position, if we drag the nodes to a different position, then the straight line will become a curve. Now after this, type a text here using the text tool. Whenever we type a text in this line, then we'll have to note one thing, that there is a the pointer will be changed to a different shape, like in this particular position where I am clicking here, then you can see there is a curve underneath the letter A. And now if whenever this type of icon appears here, the mouse pointer changes, then only you will have to click on your line and you can type a text here. After that you can format it. I am changing the size of the text. So the text has been aligned in the line as there is the part was in a curved line. Now we can see the text has been fitted to this line. After this, we'll have to select the line here and press the delete key, and the text will be aligned in that curve. So this way we can make a banding text or make a shape of a flag by selecting this text tool in CorelDRAW.